In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import blog content to Squarespace, XML files. Before we begin, make sure you have your WordPress export file ready. That's the .xml file you download from your old site. Keep it somewhere easy to find on your computer because you'll be uploading it in just a moment. Start by signing in to Squarespace and opening the website you want to import into. Once you're on your site dashboard, click the highlighted area that opens your site settings. If you land on a panel that shows domains and email first, that's okay. From there, switch over to the website section. This is where Squarespace keeps the tools that manage your site's content. Inside website settings, look for Import and Export Content and open it. You'll see options for bringing content into your site or sending it out. Choose Import. When Squarespace asks what you're importing from, select WordPress. That tells Squarespace to expect a standard WordPress export file and prepares the right fields. If you see any highlighted fields, go ahead and type in the requested details. Depending on your site, this could be a simple label for the import or choosing where incoming blog posts should go. If you're prompted again with highlighted fields, complete those as well. Providing clear labels now makes it easier to review your imported content later. Next, click Advanced. In the Advanced options, pick Standard WordPress. This ensures Squarespace uses the most compatible settings for a typical WordPress export. You may be asked to confirm Standard WordPress again. Go ahead and select it to lock in that choice. Now, choose Import from WordPress. You'll see the option to upload WordPress XML. Click that, browse to the .xml file you saved earlier, and select it. After the file is attached, click Import to start the process. Squarespace will begin reading your XML file and creating blog posts, categories, tags, and other supported items on your site. Larger files can take a few minutes. That's normal. While it's running, avoid closing the window. When the import completes, visit your blog section to review what came in. Spot check a few posts for formatting, embedded images, and links. If some images were hosted externally on your old site, you may need to update them so they're stored in Squarespace. Also check categories, tags, and authors to confirm they're mapped the way you expect. That's it. You've successfully imported your blog content into Squarespace using a WordPress XML file.